don't have the quality data in place, you're not using mobility or an EAM system, you can't do AI, machine learning, any of those Industry 4.0 things. I'm Scott Smith from Skookum. I'm the Director for Reliability and Asset Management. Most of our clients are military, Navy, Army, Coast Guard. So today, our maintenance management operations are completely paperless. We are positioning ourselves as the trend goes to artificial intelligence, machine learning. So by truly going paperless across all processes, our total efficiency gain is over 30%. As an example, all of our technicians in the field use mobile devices and are able to capture quality data and also use their iPad to improve processes like ordering material or taking a photo of the asset with tech notes and giving that to our reliability engineers. We also leverage that digital capability to provide quality information to our client who has to track all of their assets, condition, and program repair projects. In our case, they don't require a third-party inspection team. We provide that data to them directly.
Congratulations, Skookum Contract Services.
So we're a nonprofit company. We hire a lot of veterans, people with disabilities. We know how to do maintenance management. This type of award really does validate and show our customers that we're very good in this space.